How do you identify common desert plants on Phoenix hikes? Imagine walking through a desert and spotting a plant that looks like it belongs on another planet. The desert is full of surprises, and learning to recognize its plants makes every hike more fun. To start, look at the shape and size of the plant. Saguaro cacti are tall with arms that stretch out like welcoming hands. They can grow over 50 feet tall and take about 50 to 75 years to reach full height. Barrel cacti are shorter, round, and covered in sharp, prominent spines. They usually grow about 1 to 3 feet tall and are easy to spot along trails. Palo Verde trees are another common sight. Their green bark makes them stand out, especially in spring when they bloom with bright yellow flowers. These trees are often found near washes and can grow up to 30 feet tall. Next, check the leaves. Many desert plants have small, thick, or waxy leaves to hold water. The Palo Verde, for example, has green bark that acts like leaves, so it doesn't need many. The creosote bush has tiny, resinous leaves that smell strong after rain. This smell helps identify it even from a distance. Desert willow, despite its name, has long, slender leaves similar to true willows. It is a flowering tree that often grows in dry washes and produces beautiful pink or purple flowers. Flowers and fruits are also clues. Saguaros bloom large white flowers at night in late spring, which turn into red fruit. Barrel cacti produce colorful flowers in shades of pink, red, orange, or yellow during spring. Brittlebush and desert marigold bloom bright yellow flowers after winter rains. These flowers tell you it's the right season to see desert wildflowers. Spines and texture are helpful too. Cacti are covered in spines that protect them from animals and shade their surface. Chala cacti have segmented stems with dense, barbed spines. Ocotillo has long, spiny stems that leaf out briefly after rain and produce red flowers at the tips. Notice where the plants grow. Some, like the creosote bush, form large patches in open areas. Others, like the desert willow, grow in dry washes where water flows occasionally. Knowing these habits helps you identify plants more easily. For beginners, start with common species like saguaro, barrel cactus, Palo Verde, creosote bush, brittlebush, and ocotillo. Many trails have signs or markers describing local plants. Carry a simple field guide or use a plant identification app offline, since cell service can be spotty. Take photos of the whole plant, its leaves, flowers, and any fruits or seed pods. Always avoid touching unknown plants, especially cacti, as their spines can cause injury. Respect the trail and never pick or remove plants. Getting familiar with these desert plants makes every hike more interesting. As you learn to spot their shapes, colors, and habits, you'll start noticing how resilient and unique desert life is. This knowledge also helps protect the environment by encouraging respectful hiking. If you want to learn more, consider joining guided walks or visiting local parks and botanical gardens. Many organizations in Phoenix offer classes and workshops on desert plant identification, making it easier to recognize what you see on the trail.